You know, people always ask how to make their mind silent. But here's the truth. Your mind can't actually stay silent for long. It's not designed that way. The mind survives by thinking about the future and replaying the past. It predicts what might happen and regrets what already did. That's how it keeps itself alive. So when you try to stop thinking, your mind panics. Because if it stops worrying or planning, it feels like it's going to disappear. That's why most people can't stop overthinking. The ego needs something to do. It hates the quiet because in silence it has no job, and it's afraid that means it won't exist. So it keeps itself busy by creating fake problems for the future and fake regrets about the past. But neither of them is real. They only exist in thought. The only thing that's real is now. And the only way to silence the mind is to stop feeding it those payoffs, the little rush it gets from worrying and regretting. When you stop chasing those thoughts, they fade on their own. And what's left is peace. Your mind will say, if I don't think, I won't survive. But that's not your job anymore. You were created by something greater. Your job is simply to be present and let that silence take care of the rest.